In today's video, I'll be sharing with you some top tips on how to clean some of those really tricky home appliances. I'll be showing you everything from cleaning the washing machine, the dishwasher, cooker hoods, microwaves and many more. So please keep watching to find out how. If you are new to my channel, then hi, my name's Michelle and I upload videos every single week on things like motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning, hauls, fashion. So if that's the kind of thing that you like, then I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. I was recently sent this book and I thought I would share with you some of the Queen of Cleans herself top tips on cleaning some of those really tricky kitchen appliances. I'm only going to be sharing a fraction of the tips and there are so many more in this book. First thing I'm going to show you is how to clean the dishwasher. Now, I wonder how many of you actually clean this regularly. I try and clean mine at least once a month. The first thing that you'll need to do is empty your filter. Most of them are quite simple on most dishwashers and you can simply twist it and then lift it out like so. Once you take it out, you can pull the middle part of it out like this as well, and then you just want to run it under hot water to get rid of any of the gunk in the filter. Once you've gave it a good rinse, just simply put it back in. You can also remove the spray arms, so you've got spray arms down here and up here. If they get clogged, it's often useful once every couple of months just to take them out and run them under hot water too. You then want to wipe down and spray the edges and all inside the dishwasher with a mixture in a spray bottle made up of 50% white vinegar, 20% lemon juice and 30% water. Just basically spray that all over the dishwasher and then wipe it away with a microfiber cloth. Make sure you really get in all of the seal as well. Once you've finished wiping all over the dishwasher, then you want to fill a cup or a beaker or something like that with half lemon juice and half vinegar, and then just pop that on a quick wash and that will do a fantastic job of freshening up the dishwasher. Next up, I'm going to clean the washing machine. So what you want to do is take your drawer out. You can see in here that is disgusting. So desperately in need of a clean. So you want to just take this out, so you just push that in and then I will wash this out in clean soapy water. I use a toothbrush as well just to get in everywhere, just makes it a little bit easier. I've got a solution in here to clean in and outside the washing machine. So I've basically got 50% white vinegar, 20% lemon juice and 30% water, and then this will be the perfect solution to clean in and around the washing machine. So it was quite gunky where I'd pulled the drawer out, so I'm just going to spray some of this spray in here. So basically just spray it everywhere and then leave that to soak for around half an hour or so whilst you clean the rest of it. So what I like to do to clean the rest of it is again just use the spray it all over the washing machine. I also spray it inside, all around the seal, everywhere in the washing machine, and give all of that a really good wipe down. My seal isn't actually too bad because I do clean it regularly. But if you have kind of got a build-up of any mould or anything in the seal, then what you can do is use a mixture of, basically make a paste using some bicarb and just some water, mix it into a paste and use that in here, and that's really good for getting rid of any kind of mould and mildew that you might have in there. Once you've left inside the drawer for a little while, then you can get in here using a toothbrush and you can see it will easily come away, and then just wipe it away with a microfiber cloth. And what you want to do is just leave this to air for a little while to make sure it's completely dry before putting the drawer back in. Once the drawer is completely clean inside and the drawer that you've taken out is dry, make sure it is dry before you put it back in. Then you just want to slide it back in like so, shut the drawer, and then you just want to put a quick wash on just with some white vinegar. So I'm just going to pop this in the wash, actually put it in the drum like so, and then you want to put it on a whatever the quick wash is on your machine. So I've got one here for 30 minutes, and then put that on, and that will quickly refresh the machine. A super quick way of cleaning your oven doors is basically just to sprinkle with some bicarb of soda and then spray with some vinegar. You can see it kind of starting to froth up. Leave that to do its business for around 30 minutes, just while you get on with any of the jobs in the kitchen. Once you've left the vinegar and bicarb for around 30 minutes, you just want to get a microfiber cloth, wipe away, and it will remove all of the dirt from the oven door. It's so much cleaner than it was previously. Something else which is often forgotten about in the kitchen are the cooker hood filters. It's really important that you do clean these regularly, because they get all sticky, and then food kind of sticks to them, and then in turn it can make the kitchen smell. So these are super easy to take out. It depends on what ones you've got, but with my ones you literally just unhook like that and take out, and you can see there, look, I'll just show you all of the grease on there. The easiest way to clean this is simply to put the filter into the sink and spray it with some white vinegar, and then you want to leave that for around 5 to 10 minutes. Once you've left the filter soaking in the vinegar for around 5 to 10 minutes, you then want to pour in a kettle of boiling water and leave that to soak for around 30 minutes. Next up, I'll show you how to give the Tumbledryer a quick clean. It's important that you do this quite often, especially in winter months. So first of all, what you want to do is take the filter out. So mine's really easy, just lifts out, and you see you've got all this kind of lint and fluff in there. So you just want to make sure that you empty that out in the bin, and then once every month or so I will give it a good wash in warm soapy water. I always take this bit out as well, and again give that a good wash in the warm soapy water. Once the filter's out, and make sure you do turn the Tumbledryer off as well, give it a quick spray in the drum. Again, I'm just using my lemon and vinegar water spray, and also just in here give it a good wipe around. Next, I'll show you how to clean the microwave. I make sure I do this every single week, and it is honestly one of my favourite ways to clean the microwave. All you'll need for this is a microwavable bowl, put some cold water in it, and then what you want to do is get a lemon, and then put a few slices of the lemon into the water, and then basically put the microwave on full power for 5 minutes. I think I need to sharpen my knife. Just drop the slices of lemon in there like so. Put the bowl with water and lemons in the microwave, put it on high for 5 minutes. Once it's done, it should fill nicely with steam, and then the mixture of the lemon and the steam should remove some of the dirt. So you want to carefully remove the bowl. Careful, because the bowl will be quite hot. And then if you just remove the plate as well, it's then super easy just to wipe everything down, and any kind of food or anything that was in there, any grease, it just comes off so easily. I always find that food gets stuck to the top of the microwave, and doing it like this just removes anything. Look, so easy. It also smells really fresh as well. I do use lemon quite a lot when I'm cleaning my kitchen, and I have made a video on 10 different ways that you can clean using lemons. I always try and clean more naturally, so I'll link that in the description box down below for you. Once I've cleaned the inside of it, I just give the outside of it a quick spray with the lemon and vinegar solution, and basically just give it a quick wipe over with a microfiber cloth, and there we are. Microwave done. Something that often gets forgotten about when it comes to cleaning things in the kitchen is the toaster. Now, it's important when you're cleaning the toaster that you obviously unplug it, and then what I normally do first is just get all the crumbs out of it. So most toasters have these sliding drawers, so you just want to take these out and basically bash them in the bin, and then just leave them to soak in warm soapy water. You can clean the toaster if you have got any kind of burn marks on there, just using a simple paste made up of bicarb of soda and water. So I've just mixed that together, and then what I'll do is just use a microfiber cloth, put some on there and just kind of rub it in, and then rub it in, leave it for around 5 minutes, and then use a microfiber cloth to rub off and buff up, and it comes up with the most amazing shine. Once you've cleaned it, you can see how sparkling it brings it up, and then just dry these. Once you've washed them up, put them back in, and there you go. Sparkling toaster, as good as new. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and it's gave you some ideas on how you can go about cleaning those tricky appliances in your kitchen. If you have, then please give this video a thumbs up, and if you do like this kind of content, then please consider subscribing to my channel. It's completely free and I would love to have you join me. Thanks for watching, bye!